Eurasian wrynecks measure about 16.5 centimeters (6.5 in) length and have bills shorter and less dagger-like than those of other woodpeckers. Their upper parts are barred and mottled in shades of pale brown with rufous and blackish bars and whiter black streaks. Their underparts are cream-speckled and spotted with brown. It has cryptic plumage, with intricate patterning of grays and browns. The voice is a nasal, woodpecker-like call. The red-throated wryneck has three subspecies: Jinx ruficalis equatorialis, Rupel, 1842, seen in Ethiopia. Unique tiny woodpecker with olive yellow wings, brown and white striped head, and black spotted white breast and belly. The male speckled piculate has rufus orange to brown forehead with black spots and bars. The back, wings and the tail are olive green. There are creamy white lores. There is a broad blackish green stripe behind the eyes. Small, greenish brown piculate. Light olive brown, with horizontal barring on the breast changing to vertical streaking on the belly, and a black and white speckled crown. Males have a yellow forehead patch. Forages singly or in pairs around the midstory and canopy of secondary rainforest, sometimes joining mixed species flocks with tanagers and other species. Its song is a high 2- or 3-note sweep, similar to the songs of other piculates. Tiny woodpecker of lowland and foothill rainforest east of the Andes. Both sexes have pale yellow underparts with extensive black barring, lacking any speckles or vertical streaks, golden brown back, and black crown with white spots. Male additionally has red or yellow spots of forehead. Usually found in clearings or at forest edge, tapping incessantly at small branches as it tries to extract small insects. The upper parts are olive brown, sometimes lightly barred with tawny brown, and the underparts are cream or buff, boldly barred with dark brown. The head is brown speckled with white and has a white postocular streak. Inhabits light woodland and forest edge, and not found inside tall rainforest. Song is a high-pitched seep, though sometimes only 1 or 2 notes are given. Call is a short, erratic trill. Tiny bird of forest canopy, best identified by stub-tailed appearance, conical bill, and behavior. Occurs in upper levels of rainforest and patches of tall forest in savanna regions. Often found with mixed species flocks. Taps vigorously into fine dead twigs and vines, often hanging upside down at the ends of branches. The black-dotted piculate resembles other members of the genus Picumnus. Its most distinctive mark is pale pure yellow underparts with sparse black dots on the lower breast and usually on the belly and undertail coverts. In southeastern Sucre, a few have finely barred chests. A tiny, short-tailed woodpecker with a short, chisel-like bill. Distinctive within limited range in southwest Ecuador and northwest Peru. Note the heavy black and white markings on the underparts, which separates this species from the plain-breasted olivaceous piculate. Tiny, scale-covered piculate with sandy brown back and dirty white underparts. Male has black crown with red forecrown, dark with white dots in female. The dusky scaling is variable in intensity, being weaker in the southern regions and stronger in northern regions. Forages actively along small branches and vines, in mixed flocks, alone, or in pairs, very territorial. The white-barred piculate is between 9 and 10 centimeters, 3.5 and 3.9 in, long. The sexes differ in that the male has red streaks or a solid red patch on the forecrown, while the female lacks this. The rest of the crown is black, speckled with white. Common piculate of coastal forests note short-tailed profile, large feet, and cone-shaped bill. Found in mangroves, gardens, abandoned plantations, and disturbed areas. Creeps quietly through vine tangles and bores into dead twigs at lower and middle levels. Similar to golden-spangled and white-barred piculates, but arrowhead has chevron-shaped spots, not barring, on the breast and belly, and is strictly confined to coastal habitats. They have olive-green backs, with 2 white stripes on the side of their heads. The male bird has orange and brown on the forecrown. They have a creamy white coloring below, with black spots. There is a dark green band near the eyes. This is a small species growing to a length of 8.5 to 10 centimeters, 3.3 to 3.9 in. It is mainly gray, black and white, the upper parts being grayish-brown speckled and barred with white or buff, the throat being whitish and the breast being black with white teardrop markings. The white-barred pileated is between 9 and 10 centimeters, 3.5 and 3.9 in, long. The sexes differ in that the male has red streaks or a solid red patch on the forecrown, while the female lacks this. The rest of the crown is black, speckled with white. Dusky gray above and white below, with extensive black spotting from the head to the belly. Males have a scarlet-red forehead patch. The adult ocellated pileated is 9 to 10 centimeters, 3.5 to 3.9 in, long. The sexes are similar apart from the foreground, which is streaked with red in the male but not in the female. The adult ochre-collared pileated is between 9 and 10 centimeters, 3.5 and 3.9 in length. The crown is mainly black with small white spots. The male has a red fleck or solid red forecrown while the female does not. The nape and the sides of the neck form a cinnamon collar.